Are you tired of trying every law of attraction technique out there? Journaling, meditating, visualizing, only to feel like you're spinning your wheels? It's exhausting, right? What if I told you that there's a little-known manifestation hack, a cheat code, that can completely change the game? A method so effective that it feels like magic, yet it's rooted in principles you already know. This technique has been my secret weapon for years, helping me manifest both big and small desires with ease. Imagine being able to bypass the frustration and finally see the results you've been longing for. Whether it's attracting financial abundance, a dream job, or a happier life, this is the breakthrough you've been waiting for. Stay with me, because this might just be the most important video you'll ever watch on manifestation. Welcome to Power of Thought, your go-to channel for unlocking the incredible power of your mind to manifest the life you deserve. If you've ever felt stuck or disheartened on your manifestation journey, you're not alone. Today, I'm sharing something truly special, a technique I call the Christmas method. This isn't just another visualization exercise or affirmation practice. It's a transformative approach that taps into the pure joy, anticipation, and belief you felt as a child during the holidays. Remember the excitement of waiting for Christmas morning, knowing with absolute certainty that magic was on its way. That's the energy we're going to harness to manifest your desires. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear, actionable strategy to take your manifestations to the next level. This method works whether you're manifesting something as simple as a free cup of coffee or as ambitious as scaling your business to new heights. So, if you're ready to turn frustration into fulfillment, let's dive in. When we talk about manifestation techniques like visualization, affirmations, and journaling, there's no doubt they're helpful. Visualization allows you to picture your desires vividly. Affirmations help to reprogram your mind with positive beliefs, and journaling helps clarify your goals. Yet, for many people, these techniques fail to deliver consistent or significant results. Why is that? The answer lies in two critical components that are often missing: emotional resonance and unshakable belief. Emotional resonance. Manifestation isn't about simply thinking good thoughts or repeating phrases. It's about aligning your energy. Your emotions are the fuel for your manifestations. If you're visualizing your dream job but secretly doubting your ability to get hired, the energy you're projecting is one of lack or fear. This misalignment weakens your manifestation efforts. Think of it like planting a seed but watering it with polluted water. The seed may not grow, or it might take much longer. Emotional resonance ensures that the energy behind your manifestation is pure and aligned with the outcome you desire. It's not enough to say, "I am wealthy." You need to feel wealthy in every fiber of your being. Unshakable belief. Belief is the foundation of all manifestations. When you believe something with unwavering certainty, your thoughts, emotions, and actions naturally align with that belief. However, if your belief wavers, if you doubt the process, second-guess yourself, or worry about how and when your desire will arrive, you create resistance. For example, affirmations like "I am confident" may feel empty if deep down you don't believe in your worth. Without unshakable belief, even the most well-intentioned manifestation practices can fall flat. This is where the Christmas method offers a fresh perspective. It doesn't just provide tools, it teaches you how to embody the emotional state and belief system necessary for manifestation success. It taps into an experience most of us have had: the pure, unadulterated excitement and certainty of waiting for Christmas as a child. Let's take a moment to revisit the magic of childhood. Picture this. It's the week leading up to Christmas. The house is decorated, presents are being wrapped, and you're counting down the days until Christmas morning. There's an electric sense of anticipation in the air, a feeling of joy and certainty that something amazing is about to happen. As a child, you didn't question whether Santa Claus would show up or whether gifts would be under the tree. You knew they would be there. You didn't micromanage how it would happen or worry about things like shipping delays or Santa's budget. You simply trusted the process. This energy is a powerful manifestation tool because, 1. It aligns your mind, emotions, and actions. When you anticipate something with joy and excitement, you naturally align your thoughts, emotions, and actions with that expectation. This alignment creates a strong, coherent signal to the universe. 2. It elevates your vibrational frequency. Emotions like joy, gratitude, and excitement are among the highest vibrational frequencies. The universe responds to these frequencies by bringing you experiences that match them. 3. It removes resistance. As a child, you didn't worry about how or when. You trusted and allowed things to unfold. This absence of resistance is a crucial part of the manifestation process. Reconnecting with this childlike energy as an adult is not only possible but essential for manifesting your desires with ease. Not all manifestations are created equal, and it's important to recognize the difference between two categories. 1. Within your current capacity. These are manifestations that align with your current beliefs, circumstances, and identity. For example, manifesting a free coffee, a small gift, or a compliment feels natural and achievable because it doesn't challenge your existing worldview. These manifestations tend to happen quickly because there's no resistance or doubt involved. 2. Beyond your current capacity. These are the bigger, life-changing desires, such as a dream job, financial freedom, or a loving relationship, that require you to grow and expand. To manifest these, you must step into a new version of yourself. This involves reprogramming your beliefs, adopting new habits, and aligning your energy with the frequency of your desired outcome. The Christmas method works for both types of manifestations. However, the timeline for results depends on the level of alignment and growth required. Smaller manifestations happen quickly because they align with your existing reality, while larger ones require patience, persistence, and internal transformation. Here are the simple steps of Christmas method. Step 1. Start small. If you're new to manifestation or the Christmas method, begin with something small and achievable. For example, set the intention to manifest a free coffee, a friendly smile, or an unexpected compliment. These smaller goals are easier to believe in, which makes it easier to align your energy with them. The key here is to set your intention clearly and then let it go. Think of it like sending a letter to Santa as a child. You wrote down your wish list, sent it off, and didn't spend time doubting whether it would arrive. Instead, you trusted completely. Step 2. Embrace joyful anticipation. This step is the heart of the Christmas method. Instead of focusing on the absence of your desire, shift your energy to the excitement of knowing it's already yours. Visualize your desire as a beautifully wrapped gift under the tree, waiting for the perfect moment to be opened. Let that excitement fill you up. The more you lean into this feeling, the more you align your vibration with your manifestation. Step 3. Take inspired action. Manifestation is a partnership between you and the universe. The Christmas method will align you with opportunities, but you must take action when those opportunities arise. For example, if you're manifesting a new career, update your resume, network with confidence, and apply for jobs. If you're manifesting a healthier lifestyle, start incorporating small, manageable changes into your routine. Inspired action is like following breadcrumbs that lead you to your desire. Step 4. Be patient with the delay. In the physical world, things take time to align. Even though the universe begins working on your manifestation the moment you set your intention, there may be a delay before you see results. This delay isn't a sign that your manifestation isn't working. It's an opportunity to deepen your faith and trust the process. Think of it as waiting for Christmas morning. You know it's coming, and the anticipation only makes it sweeter. Step 5. Reprogram your beliefs. For larger manifestations, it's essential to address any limiting beliefs that may be holding you back. If you believe that success is difficult or that you're not worthy of love, those beliefs will block your manifestation. Use tools like affirmations, visualization, hypnosis, or coaching to shift your mindset. Reprogramming your beliefs aligns your subconscious mind with your desires, making them inevitable. Now that you understand the Christmas method, it's time to take action. Start small, embrace the joy of anticipation, and trust the process. Remember, manifestation is a journey, not a race. Together, we'll break through your limiting beliefs and create a clear path to your goals. Don't forget to support the channel by subscribing, turning on notifications, and leaving a comment. Let's manifest greatness together.